Welcome to Smith's Nissan. Today we're doing a tour of AK68 FYZ, which is a Toyota CHR 1.8 hybrid, which is now in stock and available for sale. Complete with diamond cut alloys, it is finished in a silver metallic paint option and benefits from a shark fin aerial, rear privacy glass, this CHR will also feature rear parking camera and rear parking sensors. The interior is a full leather finish with both the outer seats with ISOFIX support. Up top we have full electric window support with folding electric mirrors. It has an electronic parking brake, auto hold and an electric vehicle specific mode, automatic gearbox with a B regeneration mode, USB and auxiliary support, a climate control auto system featuring heated rear screen and heated seats, and a multimedia display with Bluetooth, DAB and sat-nav. Some other features include a push-to-start engine, auto lighting, cruise control, speed limiter, and an intelligent park assist. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle or a more in-depth video guide, then do give us a call on 01733 267 606.